Hello everyone, it's time for your urgent dose of internet. We saw people falling off cliffs, but to fall off an underwater cliff, well, this one is new. Over 250 Amish men were gathered to move a barn somewhere else. In a cold day in Czech Republic, a diver went for a swim under the ice.
Yes!
After rescuing this baby rhino, he was raised at a sanctuary with a goat. As a result, the baby rhino copied the jumping behavior of the goat and started acting like one.
Underwater?
Yeah.
Whoa! What?
This is the end of this video. Hope I made your day a little better.